Hey there, it's Teca.
I'm Teca Cameron-Tacky, brand communications and marketing strategist, storyteller, and someone who has been building a life and a business between Canada and Ghana for almost a decade. And this is Reclaim Roots. I know, I've been away for a while. Life got full, the grind got real, and honestly, I needed to come back to Ghana to remember why I started this in the first place. This channel exists because there's so much content out there about moving to Africa, and most of it is not telling you the truth. It glamorizes the transition. It sells you a dream without the details. I'm here to change that. Whether you're in Canada, the Caribbean, or anywhere in the diaspora and you're thinking about the move, or you're already building and wondering if you made the right call, this channel is for you. Real stories, real talk, no highlight reels. Welcome back to Reclaim Roots. Stay close. There's a lot coming.
Ghana's not easy, That's what a lot of people say. Ghana's not easy, But you know what? What I love about Ghana is the peace you get from being here. It is the familiarity with your surroundings, the people, the food, the environment, the culture, right? What I do love most about being here is the fact that I can be in my full creative element, my whole creative zone. When we're stuck in environments that are conforming, it prevents us from really, at least I say us because I know a lot of creatives follow this channel. It prevents people, creative people especially, from expressing themselves fully. And that's how I felt. And still to some extent, because I am bicontinental, I go back and forth. But that's how I feel when I am in environments that are a little bit more constrained, a little bit more restrictive, and a little bit more distant from the culture that I'm used to. I only came to Ghana for the first time in 2011 when I got married to my husband, who is a Ghanaian. For those of us with ancestral roots, we would consider it home as well. I'm a Jamaican, I'm a Canadian, and I'm a Ghanaian by marriage. And having those unique perspectives really helps me to be able to put a spin on some of this content we see out there. The exciting thing is that there are a lot of people who are transitioning and they are recognizing the value of being in Africa. They want to be a part of it. Unfortunately, some people come with rose-colored glasses and they come with very strange assumptions, and the only way they figure out that it's not real is when they get here. And sometimes it's getting here and suffering through it can be difficult. We've all been there. I know I've been there with my family. We've been there. We've had the tough spots. We still go through some of those tough spots, the ups and downs, and we go bicontinental between Canada and Ghana. It's just for our lifestyle, that's what works right now. And I'm building businesses, I'm building a lifestyle that goes between both continents. But right now I'm just excited because I have the opportunity to really come back and start to plant my feet on the ground again, right? It's different when you're not here. It's very difficult to get things done when you are outside of Ghana. It's best to be here if you want to have things moving. So stay tuned. I will have content for you. I'm working on a content schedule, a cadence that will allow me to share content with you. And if it's not stories, it's content pertaining to making a transition. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you are somebody who's been here for a while, thank you so much for staying and not leaving. But I ask you to please drop a comment, drop a like, a comment. These things help with engagement and it'll help me to grow this channel. And I'm looking forward to this journey, this renewed journey of Reclaim Roots. Maybe you came back and you're interested in sharing your story. That's what I want to do. I want to bring these conversations to light, because here's the thing, there's a lot of content out there, but most of it speaks to, it glamorizes all of Africa, it glamorizes traveling here. It creates a very false perception about what it takes, right? And given that we've been through the ups and downs, we know what it takes. And what I'd love is for you to tell me, what is it that you want to know about making such a transition, right? If you're very serious about it, or even if you've been contemplating it or you're just curious, what is it that you would like to know? What are some of the topics? Or even if you're from the Caribbean, if you're Jamaican or you're from any parts of the Caribbean and you're interested and curious about Africa, or if you are from Canada and you say, I'm tired of this place, I'm tired of the cold, I want to leave that place, yeah. then let me know. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, and yeah, I'd love to hear from you. Drop me a note in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. All right, blessings to you. Bye.
When you come back home, there's a space for you. When you come back home, you're gonna find your roots. Ain't you tired of the cold? Sick of paying your dues? When you come back home, we'll be waiting for you. Come back to Ghana, land of the black stars. You need to see it in person, you need to be there. Come back to Ghana, land of the black stars. You need to see it in person, you need to be there. To Ghana, land of the black stars. You need to see it in person, you need to be there. Come back to Ghana, the land of the black stars. You need to see it in person, you need to be